Welcome guys. I'm going to show you how to forward a message on WhatsApp. This is actually very simple. If you do not know it, this is just how to do it. So you open your WhatsApp message, and then let's assume this message, you want to forward this message to this person. All you need to do is to click here, and then let's assume this particular message. All you need to do is to click and hold, and it's going to bring out more option. Now this is the forward option. Do not forget, this is different. This is for reply. This is the forward icon. Click on it, and then it's going to pop up and show you all the list of people you've chatted with, and also your contact. Just scroll to the exact person you want to forward. If you can't find the person displaying, you click on the search and then you type the name. For my case, this is the person I'm sending it to, and then I'm going to send it. And yeah, the message has been forwarded. This is the message, and you can notice right here it says forwarded. Most of the time it doesn't actually indicate forwarded, but sometimes it indicates that the message is forwarded. That is what I want to show you on today's video, and I hope it's helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Share the video with your friends also. It will help them.